Hello, writers. Welcome to day 4 of our Writers Workshop, blog challenge number 6, Schools Around the World blog posts. Today is revision. So we're in the writing process part where we revise. Writers revise to make sure that their writing makes sense and that you have everything that you want to say. So here are the steps for today. Number 1, reread your draft from yesterday. Number 2, anchor yourself with a message. Really think about what are you trying to teach others about our school. Number 3, this is where you do that hard work of revision. You're either taking out parts or adding in parts and maybe doing more research because you want it to be really awesome. Number 4, read it out loud and revise more if needed. Remember that our blog post needs to have an image, needs to have 150 words or more, and that you're informing something specific about our school. Watch me as I give this a go. Here is my draft that you saw a little bit of yesterday. And you heard the beginning yesterday where I'm doing the imagine about our wonderful place of co-op. Here's my title, The Wonderful School Where Parents, Teachers, and Students All Connect. So if I'm thinking about my main message is really about what is unique and special about the co-op, what's different. So that's the part that I want to make sure I get in there. So here's my opening to grab them about the imagine part. I'm kind of doing a question answer format to chunk it up. So I've got a little bit about the basics of it, how it works. And then I got some data from the form from 2 different teachers. The problem is I'm not sure which 2 teachers because I didn't have their names on there. So right now I just have one of our teachers said, and then this is what one of the teachers quoted, and then another teacher said this. Then right here I'm wanting to put some data from one of you, one of my students said. And then here's my closing for the moment. As you can see, I am truly lucky to work at the happiest place on earth. Right now we are virtually learning like so many others, but we are still connecting and still learning. I think I'm going to end with Go Mustangs because that's who we are. I don't like this font because it puts the exclamation point. Really weird. Looks like an L. So maybe I will just quickly change this. I know it's going to change when I get to the blog post in Edgy Blogs, but there we go. All right, so I need that information there. And I think I do kind of have everything that's fitting my message. I really want to talk about field trips. I want to talk about, obviously, the parents being in the classroom. That's unique to our school. I could maybe give some examples of field trips. That's something I could probably add, or maybe a couple of pictures. Right here, I'll show you the form. This is the same one that I'm sending to you. I sent to you, and I sent it to teachers right after I send it to you, and I have 2 responses. I'm just refreshing just in case I have more. Click on responses. That's the questions. Here's responses. File unavailable. Reload. Yep, 2 responses still. So it's the same. Wonder why I'm getting that. Okay, so I'll check it again later because maybe I'll have a student response. Right now I've got 2 responses. I'm going to try one more time. And then I'm going to definitely need one from a student. So maybe you will be in there and you will be quoted. I'm going to have to check that out. All right. Back to our slideshow for revision day. I reread my draft, named my message. I need to add some of the sentences. That's my revision work. I need to add some field trip examples, and I need to add a student quote. So I need to add those 2. After I do that, then I will read it again. All right, writers, your turn to give it a go for this important work of revision. If you have it done today, you can go ahead and put it in your blog post, or you can do that work tomorrow. I guess tomorrow actually will be edit and publish. So revise for today. Spend some time on revision. It's important work. Today and every day for the rest of your writing life. Writers revise. anchoring ourselves on the message and always rereading our work to make sure that it's fits with our message and it says what we want it to say. Very important work. Happy blogging. Bye.